Hey guys, so I just got the bird. He finally came in. It was so easy to put him in a cage. Look, since I thought it was gonna be lonely, I bought him a mirror. You can see the camera right there. And yeah, I kind of spoiled him with millets and seeds. But later on the week, I'm gonna show him how to eat fruits and stuff like that. Yeah, but he's pretty calm. Like, he's not scared of me. I'm not gonna try right now. I'm not scared. I'm just gonna put my hand here. It's like it's nothing. I feel like he's gonna be sad though, so I think I should buy him someone like a companion. I don't know. We'll see in the long run. So this is Soul. It's not Pico. That was my name. I made a channel, but I'm gonna change everything. It's gonna be called Soul, the Budgie. And that's just gonna be adventures about him and me, and probably a new companion if he gets it. But let's see how it goes. And yeah, I bought him this and that, but I don't think I should have them the same. And seeds. I think I should get a fat and obese, but I'm only gonna get it for like 2 days, so he can be super comfortable and you can like adjust to it in this new cage. I put the windows, but I figured he was gonna be scared, so I closed it. Well, I have the blinds open for light, but it's getting dark, so I might as well just close them. Oh. Yes, I might get a new cage. I am gonna get a new cage because it's too small for him. Because buddies need to jump around and spring around, be happy. So I'm gonna get a new cage, but I don't have the money for it. And new toys. Oh, and let's see. This is Pico. Pico, Pico. And yeah. Let's get a quick shot of him real quick. Can't get a good camera on focus. Here we go. There we go. That'll be it. See ya.